Hey, what's up guys? So this is a dual battery charger plus an extra battery for the Hero 9 or the 10. So this is from GoPro. You can see right here, it's a very nice package. Okay, so we get it open. I decided to get this because the other day I ran out of battery and I had to sit here and charge. So now I have an official charger and I can have one battery backed up, or two batteries if you have three. So limited warranty, charge 2 battery at a time. Come nice little box. If you're a GoPro subscriber, you do get a percentage off, and I think I got it for 50% off, so that was an awesome deal. So I had to get it, and I was thinking about getting one aftermarket, but I decided to go GoPro all the way. Everything I have right now is GoPro. I got the GoPro LED, GoPro mod, all types of stuff for the GoPro, so I try to get everything original. So now I got the dual battery charger plus an extra battery, and I did buy the GoPro 10 bundle, so I did get another battery, so I got 2 batteries. So now with this one, it will be my 3rd battery, so I'm ready to go. And I did get the LED lights too as well. So I decided to get this because like I said, I ran out of battery and I needed to get some kind of charger, so I went with GoPro. So let's get it open and show you a little bit about it. Like, I'm not gonna return it, so it doesn't even matter if I rip the box. Sometimes these boxes are very hard to open. Okay, so get it open. You have a little instruction. So put your 12 batteries in. Yellow light is charging, green light is charged all the way. It does use a USB-C. This is your little manual safety instruction. Okay, so it comes like this. You have your battery in the bottom side. So they did change the battery from the GoPro 7 and all those to this one right here will fit on a GoPro 9 and 10. So you do have your little GoPro, you see the charging parts right here. The bottom is rubberized, and you have your 2 slots, and the LED lights in the front will tell you it's charging now. So your battery going just like this, and from final you have your USB cable, which it is a USB-C. You'll plug this to your outlet and you'll charge your batteries simultaneously. So it's pretty cool. So I recommend get an extra battery, of course, because you know GoPro cameras are good, but when you record a lot, the batteries don't last that long. The last time a battery lasted about maybe an hour or 2 running the camera at all times. So I decided to get this so I could have more batteries ready to go. Awesome. Recommend to get it. Very nice.